Hey ladies, this is Nanette. Welcome back to my channel, Chasing Me. Chasing Me is a channel that encourages women to become a better version of themselves through mental and physical fitness. Today is December 5th, and you know what that means. We are growing closer and closer to New Year's Day. You know, New Year's, everybody seems to make a resolution saying that they're going to lose weight. The gyms are crowded. We spend a whole lot of money on gym memberships, and it only lasts 3 months. Let me tell you why that happens. It happens because you didn't prepare your mental fitness. Mental always control your physical. So when you look yourself in that mirror today, you make sure in your mind that you're conscious and you believe what you're saying and you mean what you're saying. That you're going to lose weight and you're going to have a healthier lifestyle starting now. Don't wait until 2022 to say that you're going to lose weight and get into better shape. Whatever you put into your mind, it comes through your physical. So be conscious of all the things that you put into your mind before you implement the physical. Have a great day, ladies, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be an exercise video.